Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of adhesive solutions with a focus on a product that's making waves in the industry. Introducing the 20 grams rubber glue by Guoelephant. This isn't your ordinary adhesive. It's a specialized formula designed for one purpose: to create seamless bonds between rubber and various materials. This product isn't just any glue. It's the best glue for metal to rubber bonding available in the market today. Let's delve deeper into what makes it stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about its wide application. Whether you're working with rubber, tires, DIY crafts, toys, or even rubber edges and tubes, this glue has got you covered. It's perfect for bonding between rubber and other materials like metal, plastic, or wood. And here's the kicker: it's safe and non-toxic. Unlike some other rubber glues on the market, this one has passed rigorous safety tests and is completely odorless and environmentally friendly. But wait, there's more. Each tube of glue comes with 2 to 3 precision tips, giving you more control and accuracy in your application. Say goodbye to messy glue jobs. Now, let's talk about viscosity. This glue offers super viscosity, meaning it can bond any rubber surface within seconds. No more waiting around for your adhesive to dry. This one gets the job done in a flash. And check out the packaging. Not only does it make using the glue easier, but it also prevents the glue from sticking to your hands. Plus, the upgraded packaging makes storage a breeze. Now, let's hear from some satisfied customers who have put this product to the test. Customers rave about the ease of use, quick drying time, and strong bond this glue provides. Whether you're repairing RC tires or gluing rubber to metal, this product gets the job done. So there you have it, folks, the 20 grams rubber glue by Guoelephant. If you're in need of a reliable adhesive for metal to rubber bonding, look no further. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy bonding!